Welcome to Edurific. Hi students, want to try drawing something of your interest to a code? Yes, so in this session, we shall learn about the Artist Lab of the Code.org platform and explore all the features it has, just like we have explored the Sprite Lab. As you can see, there is again a similar workspace or a scripting section, and in this workspace, you will be dragging your blocks which give you instructions and assemble them to form a script. Left to the workspace is a block section where there are different kinds of blocks that give instructions or commands. Let us try to now understand some of these commands. As you can see, there is actions and there are some commands. Actions just help you to analyze the different kinds of actions that should be performed. Next, there is brushes which will help you choose your brush and color, which is very important for an artist. And in common, there are other categories like loops, math, logic, function, variables, comments. As you already know, these are called categories, which are action, brushes, loops, math, logic, function, variable, and comments. Each of these categories, as you can see, has got some blocks, which are instructions or commands that you need to give to the computer while coding or forming a script. A script, as you know, is already formed using assembling the blocks in the workspace or the scripting section. And again, left to this category section, you can see a visualizing section that enables us to see what we drew through the various blocks that we have assembled to form a script. Also, on the top left corner, you can save your project by clicking on the rename button and choosing a title. We shall learn how to create projects on the Artist Lab further and try exploring our artistic skills using codes by drawing various patterns, illusions, and understanding how to draw them step by step. I hope you have familiarized yourself with the Artist Lab a bit. Thank you.